Hey friends, welcome back to our channel Informa Technicals. This is Jazz and I'm gonna be your instructor for the C programming tutorial. So my friends, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe this channel and like this video. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for... So let's open the application CPP Droid in our mobile phone. So now to the very first, we have to give a header file #include stdio.h here. The while loop provides a mechanism to repeat one or more statements while a particular condition is true. In the while loop, the condition is tested before any of the statements in the statement block is executed. If the condition is true, only then the statements will be executed. Otherwise, if the condition is false, the control will jump to statement Y, which is the immediate statement outside the while loop block. So next here we have given the int main function, and after that we will start the two curly braces and we have to write the statement block inside these two curly braces. Friends, do remember that we need to constantly update the condition of the while loop. It is that condition which determines when the loop will end. The while loop will execute as long as the condition is true. Note that if the condition is never updated and the condition never becomes false, then the computer will run into an infinite loop, which is never desirable. A while loop is also referred to as a top checking loop, since the control condition is placed as the first line of the code. If the control condition evaluates to false, then the statement enclosed in the loop are never executed. And now we have taken here int I equals to 0 and sum equals to 0. Means we have taken I and sum as the integer variable. Then we have written here the while loop and we have given the condition inside the while loop. And the condition is I less than equals to 10. Now again we have to start the curly braces because we are going to write inside these two curly braces. So here we are going to write sum equals to sum plus I. It means that the value of sum will be the addition of sum and I. And in the next line we will write here I equals to I plus 1. It indicates that the value of I will increase by the addition of 1 and it will get updated. Means here we are updating the condition. So it is the part inside the two curly braces which defines that how the program will work and how it will do the addition of the first 10 numbers. And now after these two curly braces we are going to write the printf function so that it can display the result properly. Friends, remember that the iterative statements are used to repeat the execution of a list of statements depending on the value of an integer expression. And if we are using a relational operator here, then we must check that the relational operator is not mistyped as an assignment operator. So here we have written a printf function, and inside the printf function we have given double quotes, and inside the double quotes we are writing here followed by the \n that sum equals to %d comma sum. As we know that the %d is the format specifier of integer data type. Friends, also do remember that placing a semicolon after the while loop is not a syntax error, so it will not be reported by the compiler. However, it is considered to be a logical error as it changes the output of the program. So we should be very careful about it. So after the printf function, next we are going to give here the return 0 statement. This is a return command that is used to return the value 0 to the operating system to give an indication that there were no errors during the execution of the program. Now it's the time for the compilation of the program. So we are going to save the program first and then we will compile the program and then we will see and check the output of the program. Here we are going to save the program into the device and then we have to choose to the new file. And then we are going to give the name, a suitable name. So we are going to give here sum1.c, which will be the file name. Guys, don't forget to put the extension .c to your file name because it is very important. And now here we are done. So let's check the output. So you can see guys, here it is showing sum equals to 55. So we are done with the program. Our program is having no error. So friends, please follow this channel for more tutorials on C programming like this. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye, take care. See you at the next tutorial.